How's things, guys? So I was just going to show you how I made up my own kind of engine mounts for the A4. So I was looking around and they're all kind of mad money. So I was looking for a cheaper solution. So I found these, and these are actually Landrover or TVR polybush engine mounts. So they're about 45mm in height, and then they have an M10 either side, and the original Audi is M8. So what I did then was I got this, put just polyurethane bar. I can't remember what diameter it is. It's 60mm diameter. So I needed this for making the gearbox mount as well, which I have a video of that I took ages ago that I'll have to find. I did a video while I was changing the gearbox on how to do it. So all you do here is basically that bit slides on there. That brings our overall height to 50mm, and then all we do is tighten this on. And that's it. So this is just a bit of 40mm, I think. Yeah, 40mm box iron. And all I did was welded. Hard to see now with the lighting, but I welded a plate in here, either side, because I found it wasn't strong enough with just the box iron. Kept bellowing out and it'd break along here. And this is about 2mm wall thickness, so it's light enough stuff, and what's inside there is 2mm as well, so it should be strong enough. But it will be strong enough now, because it wasn't too bad as it was just fatiguing over time. So that's as simple as it is. And all I did was I welded a nut in the bottom, just a nut on the inside in there, and I welded a bolt on the other side. And I kept the M10 and drilled out the engine mounts just to make it a bit stronger as well. So we'll put this one together as well. Now I usually give these another tightening with the box iron and the vise just to make sure they don't come loose on me, but that just bolts into the standard place on the engine mount, and then that bolts into the standard spot on the chassis then. And you can add a spacer on this end if you want, just to bring it to the same height, but just measure it here. So that's 90mm overall assembled height, and the original are 100mm compressed, because they're soft rubber. So these are about 10mm shorter, so they will actually bring your engine down a little bit closer to the ground and lower your centre of gravity a small bit. So just making a new gearbox mount. So that's the design I came up with. So that's just polyurethane. What I did was I got polyurethane bar and then just cut it down to size. And then I made up a big washer then for that side of it. I just put a Loctite on just to be safe. But I made a big washer then for one side, steel plate for the middle, and then the polyurethane, and then just the bolt through. So I cut that short as well, and should be perfect with that. That's the old engine mount, or gearbox mount, should I say, ripped in two. These are actually the standard engine mounts. As you can see, they're kind of rubbery ones. I kept having the problem where I would actually split this whole section here off, which made the engine come up and hit the bonnet and do damage to the bonnet. So that's why I had to go for a stronger setup basically.